And you are working as consultant also, right? In different other clinics. So one thing is there that when the PG students, a lot of people ask us that how to ask job as a consultant in other clinics. They don't know those person and those people, the clinic owners, and you have seen the trend that they'll just go and drop their cards and go. But what is the actual good way of getting hired as a consultant in other clinics? What do you think?
See, if you are from a, like if your post-graduation was done from a remote college and now you are practicing in a different city, people don't know you around. So for me, it was very fortunate. I got the post-graduation admission in the same college where I did my undergraduation. So a lot of my UG batchmates, PG batchmates already knew me, and that's how I got my little bit of consulting, which I do now. But I never went and gave cards, visiting cards. I just got them printed because that was the norm and everybody was doing it. But then I slowly realized that it doesn't yield. Even I have a drawer full of cards lying in my, but I always call the person who I am most approachable. I find the most approachable, or who's my friend, or who has good clinical skills. That's most important. So I think rather than showing your visiting card, we must go with our casebook. A casebook everybody makes when they are a postgraduate. So you must have thorough knowledge about what cases you are presenting in your casebook, and you must present your cases to the doctors rather than just your name and your visiting card. Let your work speak for itself. Nowadays, we have so much of social media influence like Facebook and Instagram. You can put your cases there and you can tag those doctors which you want to consult, or you can put them in those groups and let them know that you are here. Let their case speak for itself, and people will definitely call you for your